This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable read receipts on the Signal app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up and I am on the Signal app. To enable or disable read receipts, you want to first open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to my little profile icon thingy. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on Settings. Then I'm going to scroll down just a little ways, down to where you see it says Privacy. Tap on Privacy. And then right down here, Read Receipts. By default, they are toggled on. As you see, mine is toggled on. But to turn that off, you just tap on the toggle. It turns off read receipts. If you have your read receipts turned off, then you can't see when somebody else has read your messages. Then down below that, you have typing indicators. That's where you could see when the other person's typing. If you don't want people to see when you're typing, you would toggle off typing indicators. But then when you toggle that off, you can no longer see when somebody else is typing either. That is how to enable or disable read receipts on the Signal app. Thanks for watching.